Hello Internet, I am here to show you my latest build. This is ARC guitar number 6. It is a 3D printed body, the so-called Black Widow design. I did not design this, I got this off the internet, but it's pretty darn cool. So I 3D printed this body, added the gold hardware, which I thought made a really nice effect. Gold pickups. Wraparound bridge. It's 22 stainless frets. Has the logo and all those kinds of things. This is a 3D printed inlaid neck fretboard, if you will. Like I said, it's a 22 frets, 12-inch radius, kind of Gibson style. It does have a maple neck on it. And I could not be more pleased with how this thing came out. Very happy with the way it sounds, and very happy with the way it plays. It's going to its new owner pretty darn soon, so I will post a demo in just a bit. Cheers.